Hey guys! So today, as you can see, my background is super plain and empty. That's because, as you can see by the title, I am in the middle of moving. I don't really have a good place to film right now because honestly, everything's in boxes. I don't really know what's happening. But I decided to vlog because I personally love moving vlogs so much. They're honestly one of my favorite videos, so I decided to vlog too. If you want me to vlog more, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up because I'll probably do it. Also subscribe if you don't want to miss out on my future videos. And without further ado, let's just get started. My room is a little messy right now and I'm scared, I'm confused, I'm feeling attacked. I'm not sure if it's safe here. Honestly, I haven't cleaned my room in so long because I just keep thinking I'm moving soon. So everything just keeps piling up and it's like kind of bad. So these are some of the boxes that I have already filled. Well, this is, see, that's what I mean. This is a random t-shirt. Actually, I don't really know what this is. I don't really know what's inside. There's clothes over it too. And then here is some socks. And then my desk is looking not so great either. I don't know what this is. Like, I don't know what this is. I think I started packing, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on. I honestly don't know where to start. Like, why is this not focusing? It's kind of rude. Hello. I think I'm gonna actually look in these boxes and see what's in here, what I've done here, what a mess I created here, and see what I can do with this. So what I currently learned is that this is my makeup. Like, I forgot I had this. This is full of makeup. Like, I don't even know what's in here. Brushes and some skincare products that I'm not using currently, so I already put them in a box. And then this is my electronic stuff. So I have my drone in here, some camera chargers, hard drives, a Polaroid camera, my old camera, my old BlackBerry, electronic things like lenses, and yeah, so that's in here. And I have some more things I should add to this box and also to this box. Obviously I need to figure out what's in here and what I want to keep and what I want to throw away. Oh my god, this is heavy. I don't know how to do this. Boxes from like things that I bought, and then this is also, oh my god, I decided to put the rest of my makeup things in this little suitcase. I feel like my room's only getting worse now. Help. I forgot to put like so many things in that box. Like, I didn't even check, I just closed the box without looking. Whatever. Right, I'm gonna decide what makeup I still need to use these days and what I can pack. So I'm so ugly sometimes. Oh, shit. A queen. I'm getting overwhelmed by what's in here. I don't want this anymore. I'm scared, like, I'm so scared right now. How do I fix this? I was excited to move, but I'm not anymore. I give up. I don't know what to do with this. Bye. I'm gonna take a little break. Shit. I'm gonna take a little break now. I'm tired of this. Bye. It's horrible that every time, like, I'm gonna stop being so girly now, and then I literally like pack a box. It's so pink. Why is it so pink? I finished packing a few boxes. Now I'm doing like decor and stuff. It's so much more work than I thought. I was like, I can do this in like an hour. What the heck? I've been on this for 3 hours and I'm not even halfway done. Someone help me. It's becoming so empty. I'm kind of sad right now. Honestly, don't know what this video is gonna be yet because I'm obviously not gonna be able to pack my entire room in one day. I have to do a lot tomorrow, and then on Friday we get the keys. But I got another box ready now. So this is the current status of my room. Still really scary. This is my boxes. I just got this package. I'm not gonna open it yet because like that's just double the work. I'm just gonna open it in my new room. And I'm gonna do a home decor haul soon because I have more new things that I bought. I'm actually going to the house and I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you guys maybe a sneak peek, I don't know. We're here. So we're in the house now. I'm in my room. I'm not showing you the house yet, but I'm gonna show you a little bit of outside. This is honestly one of my favorite things of the house. It is a big ass lemon tree. I love lemons. Here, they have an outside shower, a huge ass pool, which is currently covered. I don't really know why. And then it just looks like this all around. We also got these as a housewarming gift from some people. Can we talk about the view of my room right now? What the heck? That is like the prettiest thing I've ever seen. It's Saturday and it's the second moving day. It's just been kind of boring now because we're just moving things, so it's not that fun to vlog. Obviously I'm gonna film when I'm decorating and like unboxing things because that is the fun part. I'm gonna end this vlog here because nothing really fun is happening right now. It's just boring, just like loading things in and loading it out. But yeah, next week's obviously gonna be the decorating part, which is really exciting. So that's it for this week. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.
I miss you, pushing me close to the edge. I miss you. I wish I knew what I had when I left. I miss you. You set fire to my world, couldn't handle the heat. Now